Did you say it was a pop in your pistol?
Pop, I said it, pop in the pistol.
There you
right
go.
There.
Well, now, you know what? What happens when you
afraid to
have
ask.
pop in a pistol? We're going to show you. This here, I love this. This goes back years, okay?
That means you're never too old, right?
What does it say? You and your once more for your old time's sake. Grandma is like knocked up. Look at that.
Look at that. I mean, how?
She's not either. You don't get
you.
the chest and is she just had overweight perhaps? No, you and your one more for old time's sake. Isn't that precious?
That
anyway.
is
Yeah.
too,
Yay!
I mean, that is too much, ladies and gentlemen. That is too much.
We got some really good stuff. And this here is Jerry. This here is Jerry. Look at that.
Yeah.
This
boy,
is retired and loving it.
you.
You're gonna
Retired.
okay.
Look at that. Huh? How can you beat
The
that?
belly.
Sure.
We're gonna show you
Retired.
Jerry's belly too.
Retired.
He's retired and
yeah.
loving it, but he's not really retired.
Hey, I'm just tired now.
Yeah, he's just tired now. But I love this. I mean, can you imagine? Look
Sure.
at the gray hair on
Sure.
this fella.
Yeah.
So I mean, he's like, and he's got his little Bermuda shorts on, and his little.
And it's got his belt, hey, below.
Well,
the
because it
belly.
won't fit over his belly, honey.
Yeah.
You don't even wear a belt anymore because your belly's too big.
Yeah, I
So
can't.
let's not knock this old guy. This, I mean, you want to show people? No, he doesn't. But anyway,
Sure.
retired and loving it, you guys. Yay!
I'll tell you, you can't beat it. You can't beat it. Tell
Now we
you.
have one more thing. I have to show you this. This here is a book. And everybody remembers
George Burns, I mean,
Look at-
one of my favorites right there.
How to Live to Be 100 or More.
More.
The ultimate, I can't read that.
The ultimate diet, sex, and exercise book.
All right, thank you so
thank
much,
you, buddy.
youngster.
Yeah.
Someday
Thank
you'll
you, I
be here.
mean,
And it's George Burns, so
Or,
obviously
yeah.
Betty White and those gals must have read this, huh?
More is in there too. My buddy Jim, hey, right there. It says or more.
Or more. How to Live to
That
Be
must
100.
be, that must
And
be a
there he is.
cousin
See,
or
he's
something.
He's jogging along.
Yeah.
In those days, look at he's even weightlifting.
Must,
So-
must be his cousin or something. Or more.
And this book has got to go like back in the 1970s or something, you know. So there you go. All right, $2, $2,
love it.
$2.
Hey, $2, you bet.
Okay, you're gonna do a number on this baby and just hold it
Oh,
there. Show the
yeah.
people. Rotate it around. This here's
Right
the over
here.
the hill constipation crisis. kit.
Crisis, right here. You guys got a constipation crisis going on? Oh, here is the clear right here. Prune juice, right there. And I mean,
What's that?
Well, I'm gonna get to that. But first, you got to hear is over the hill brand flake.
And if that doesn't work,
And if that don't work, you've got the dynamite right there.
yay, Jerry! And that'll work, right?
I mean, that'll definitely work.
That'll explode.
That's known to unplug anything.
It's
know?
unplugged naturally.
Unplug naturally.
Can you imagine that
Yeah.
this kit actually comes like this? So you got your over the hill brand
Yeah.
flakes.
Wasn't
And-
there
Jerry has shredded wheat, big ones every morning. We should have brought one of those
Yeah.
down and showed you.
Viva
They're
and
about
Jer-
this huge.
Viva and Jerry unplugged. Hey.
You're unplugged. I cut you unplugged. Okay. I get to do this one.
You get to do that one,
This
honey.
one here is old-fashioned pecans.
Yeah.
Pecans, okay?
Yeah.
Now,
yeah.
what?
Pecan.
Pecans.
Pecans,
It
yeah.
says pecans. I know why. You don't. Da-da-da-da.
Oh my.
Grandpa and grandpas.
His and hers yet.
Yep. You betcha. And Jerry
Sure.
was saying soon you're going to be, no, you
Oh,
won't.
tell you. I
And
mean,
so this
so
is
that way you don't get mixed up.
Yeah, it mixed up, man.
Yeah.
Anyway, so this here is old-fashioned. See, that's why it's pecans. See?
Well,
Yay!
you know, normally we think it would be pecans there.
Pecans, yeah. Okay. Now, do you
Oh.
wanna
Oh,
like
here is my favorite. Like I say.
tell what Craig Peel did when you said the hamburger was so good that you had to?
Yeah, I told
clean
Greg,
the plate?
I said, my hamburger was so good, I said, I had to lick my plate. Yeah, I'll tell you.
It's a good thing Jerry
Yeah.
didn't take his plate out because
Yeah.
I would have popped him over the head.
But here is my favorite right here, a denture bottle opener. Now here, ladies and gentlemen, you put these in, and I mean, when you think about it, when they don't have them bottles twist caps off, you got it right here. Put them in there.
Aren't those cool?
Yeah.
Turn it around.
Cool.
That's a tincture bottle. Look at that.
Yeah.
And you just put those in your mouth, and then if you want, and you got to be macho in a bar. You can just rip the guy,
macho.
put the bottle in there and say, "Hey, look at me!
Hey.
I'm 90, and I can still open a bottle of beer."
Chief bottle opener.
Chief bottle opener. Cheap or chief?
I love it.
Isn't that
Hey,
great,
sure.
though? Look at the teeth on those nice.
Look at them beautiful choppers.
Okay.
Tell you.
You want to hold these up?
I'm going to hold them up, ladies and gentlemen.
And then we're going to show you one more. That's hair plugs.
You got your thinning hair problem, ladies and gentlemen. When you get older, here we got hair plugs. Put
And that's
them
when
in
you
there.
and they actually work. You plant them on your head,
Plant 'em.
and they grow.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's like a toupee or anything, but
Better water them down.
if nothing else, guys, if you wear these, you will get a lot of laughs.
Yeah.
People will start swatting you. They'll go like, "Oh my God, it's a spider," and they'll hit you over the head.
There's a fly on your head there.
Now hold that over there. Now
Okay.
we also have this is a water dome, and you can watch, if you want to, and watch every hair land on that bald head guy. See?
Yeah. You can
See that?
count your hairs right there.
Can you see that?
Yeah. Oh.
See those little hairs falling? I love this dome. This is called a
That's a real
over
dome.
the hill and losing it kit. Water
Yeah.
dome.
Water dome kit.
Isn't that great?
Right here, ladies and gentlemen, about the hair plugs. You can use that right there.
But this is more fun if you
Yeah.
got nothing else
Oh.
to do. You're sitting there.
Yeah,
You
nothing.
don't. You write songs and stuff, but a lot of people
Yeah.
don't have nothing to do.
But
I write a lot.
yeah.
I write like 18
Yeah.
cards every single week. So do pick up a pen, write to your best friend, send a greeting through the mail because you
Yeah.
know what, mail needs to be mortared up a little bit, right?
Yeah.
Anyway, so
Gotta
all
keep-
right.
Gotta keep them,
Now!
gotta keep them cards and letters coming in, guys.
Even Peter knew what this was. This here is Maxine. And this is everybody's favorite. She has a personality that won't quit. And she's over the hill doll. And it's got little sayings in there. She's got look at the little slippers that she got. She's got little bunny slippers on. And she doesn't mess
Booties.
around.
They're
Booties.
called booties.
She doesn't mess around. You've still got it, but
Yeah.
nobody wants it. You still got it, but nobody wants it. There you go. And I think I reached the sexpiration date. Sexpiration.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh.
We
yeah,
see.
you.
So this here is a really cute little item. So this here is Maxine, and she's so full of personality. And
Oh, here it comes, ladies and
I
gentlemen.
have to show you
Brace
the.
yourself.
This is like Miss Richfield glasses, or Marco from Fargo, you know.
Oh, yeah.
And also a magic wand. So if you want your husband to give you a kiss or something, or evil to go away, you got the wand, the silver wand.
Viva's a star, hey.
Yeah, I know. You're the star, honey. You and Cliff. But anyway, so these here are fabulous.
Viva's trying to be a star here.
These are Oomph Diva
Yeah.
Maxine glasses. This is
Wow.
something she would wear, okay?
Yeah.
So aren't they great? They're studded
you look
rhinestones.
absolutely beautiful, honey.
Yep,
Tell
yep.
you, I mean.
So, and you got to have your wand. You want the wand?
Yeah, you can have
You'll
now.
make me into a
Hey,
20-year-old.
now
What
I'm-
would you do with a
hey,
20-year-old?
Now I'm the star.
No, you're the star, honey. Whoops.
I tell you.
Now we have to, okay. Oh, golly, yes. Take that out and sell it, baby. Just sell it.
I tell you. I mean, you got everything.
Sell
we
it.
got
Now
everything.
show everything that's on
tied
there.
up. We got everything tied up. Ladies and gentlemen, right here is the one, the only survival chain.
But you have to show people what it is.
We got the whistle. So if you ever get lost, you can whistle.
You want to try it?
Yeah. And whatever that is, I don't know.
Well, read what it says.
I'm trying to.
Well, doesn't it show?
Yeah.
Toothpick.
Toothpick. Yeah. Hey, when you go out and eat there, when you think
But
you
you
got
don't have
to
any
hey,
teeth, so what the heck?
when you think you got to lick your plate,
No, it's not a toothpick.
Yeah.
Jerry, what is that?
read.
Arthritis. Old age lubricant.
Oh,
It's for arthritis.
Arthritis.
So, okay, blow that.
And then, yeah. Hey,
Okay,
get
you're
it,
really
ladies
up
and
there.
gentlemen. Oh, yeah.
I'll
that
show the
works.
rest of it.
That looks at it. And you got a spare dentures?
Spare dentures.
Spare, right here.
It says right there. Spare
Yeah,
parts. Spare parts.
Spare parts.
You can't call them
Oh.
dentures. Spare parts.
And then we got the, what in the world we got? Oh,
Do a day.
2 a day. Old 2 a day.
Yeah. Not to
Yeah.
be mixed up with
Yeah.
your Sex Pistol or
Yeah.
whatever you had here.
Yeah, tell you we got them. I mean,
So this
the one
here
we
is a
got here.
chain you wear around your neck.
Yeah.
And be proud of it. Oh, and then it says caution, slow down.
right here too, ladies and gentlemen, right here. It says caution, slow down.
Yep.
Slow down, it
Slow
says.
down, darlings.
Yeah, well, how can you beat that?
You can't.
One,
Okay.
the only, ladies and gentlemen, the survival chain.
Yeah, the survival. Okay, now we saved the best for the last, and this guy is so awesome. And
Listen to this guy. This is my
look what
favorite
the
guy
shirt
right
says. Look what the shirt says. Look what the shirt says.
When I get older, losing my hand, many years from now.
When did you
Yeah.
turn from Wild Oats into All Brand?
Birthday greeting, bottle of wine. If I'd been out
Isn't that great?
the street, would you lock
The door,
Will you still need me
where do you still be?
when I'm
64.
Send me a postcard, drop me a line.
A singing bear.
Wonder you indicate precisely what you mean to say. You're sincerely wasting away. Give me your answer, there in a phone, mine forevermore. Will you
Still need me when you still feed me. And now I'm 64. Yeah.
Isn't that great, you guys?
How
And
can
when
you beat
when
that?
did your Wild Oats turn into, what did that say? When did your
When did my
Wild Oats turn to
Yeah.
All Brand?
All brand.
So anyway, so how much time do we have, Andy?
26?
Okay, we're gonna.
Yeah,
Do you have
little-
anything else to show, honey?
Oh, I tell you,
You don't.
honey, this is it. I
Where'd
mean,
your
this is
Where'd
it.
your popping pistols go? Those little. Oh, he's hiding. Anyway, so thank you very
Yeah,
much for
I
tuning us
mean.
in. And Matthew, thanks again for buying me the rose. I really appreciate it. Made my day, and I'm enjoying the heck out of it. Thank you, thank you,
Yeah.
thank you. And he also loves our crew. So yes, Peter and Andy, we love you. We've been at it for 21 years now. Our 1,000 show is coming up like sometime in
In
July.
sometime in July, guys.
And-
brace yourself.
Yeah, we're trying to do a really good
Yeah.
show. I chose to show you a couple of clips from years ago. Jeff Carson was in our studio. He was on a show. And Jerry, like I said, his commercial.
Oh,
and
yeah.
Greg
Yeah,
Kinnear
yeah.
showed us a lot, so
Yeah.
it was fun, fun times, and I wanted to share that with you. And like I said again,
Yeah.
we love our crew. Thank you so
Our
much.
crew, thanks, guys, for being here. And I'll tell you, hey, keep watching Viva and Jerry. You betcha.
Yep.
Hey.
And remember now, pick up a pen, write.
Yeah.
Send a greeting card, send a letter, let's keep and
Yeah.
look us up on Facebook, you guys.
Yeah.
Hannah Youngbauer is the one that does our Facebook for us, so we thank her very much. I don't have a
Yeah.
computer, I still have a land phone, very old-fashioned, but that's okay. When I go out to lunch, I talk to my husband, I talk to my friends, I don't text or anything, so this is the most modern thing we do is our show.
Yeah.
Except we have an old-fashioned TV. So Andy, thanks again for being
remember,
here, and
yeah.
Peter too, and all you fans out there watching you. Because of you, we do the show. You are the only payback we got when you come up and greet us and
Yeah.
make us feel like celebrities. So
You
we do
betcha.
appreciate that. Thank you so much. And you know what? We love you. We're gonna blow you a
Yeah.
kiss and
Yeah.
then. Mwah.
Do it again, honey. Repeat.
Do it again, honey.
Do it
Mwah.
again.
Thanks for watching, you guys. Rock on.
Betcha. Rock on, guys. Rock
When
on.
you're
Yeah.
65,
When I'm with you, still feed me.